Hi everybody, Rose here. Sorry for the way I look. I'm in the midst of my room. I have been wanting to make a crochet board for blocking, and I wanted to show you what I've got so far. This was level 1. I made this. Yeah, I just threw it together like super fast. I got this metal thing at Walmart. I can't remember how much it was. It was like $4 or $5. And that was great and everything. They didn't have the hooks that I needed. And I went to Joann's and they had these clearance peg things. But they were still loose. And I also had these dowels. Anyway, I digress. And then I got these Dollar Tree mats, and then I cut off this handle part, and 2 of them upside down from each other fit perfectly. And that's great for just really quickly blocking something. But I was just like, you know, and I've been looking out, you know, up on Amazon. And I was just like, dude, I really don't want to spend that if I don't have to. And then it just came to me in the middle of the night. And show you what I got. Yeah. I got a 12-pack of these. This was all at the Home Depot. 12 of these 6-inch hooks was, I think, like $10. And this board is a 24 by 48. And it was like $12.24. And what I did was I cut, this is the part of the handle on this because I had bought 2 of them, and I just cut little squares. That way when I hammered it up here, let's see if you can see, I glued it so the pegs would not touch the wall. And I just did another one in the middle, and then I did 2 down here on the bottom, and then I took a nail and I hammered it in the middle, and then I kind of bent it down so it gives this like a little bit more security. So that is our quick Sunday morning special. So yeah, these things are really awesome. You can use these things for different things. And they're only like $1.25. Actually, if you go to Family Dollar, they're $1. So that's what we have to do now. We have to go to Family Dollar for $1 things. You know, anything to avoid Walmart. Am I right? So, it's my coffee. And I'm about to start filming something and experimenting with my GoPro, and I will just check back with you guys a little bit later. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.